everyone, it's Barbara at BCsells. Welcome to my channel and an unboxing and try-on of Stitch Fix. Okay, so if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, I'm not sure if there's anyone out there who doesn't know what Stitch Fix is, but it has a styling fee of $20, and that $20 is applied to anything that you purchase. And if you keep all 5 items, they send you 5, you get a 25% discount. Okay, shipping is free. They provide you with, here it is, an envelope to return anything that you're not keeping, and it is prepaid, so you don't pay postage. And it goes through the post office. You can either give it to your postman, or you can, I drop mine off because I get a receipt. Okay, here's my, everybody calls it a burrito. Looks like we've got some color. Here's my paperwork. Let's see who I have. Oh, this is my invoice. Stitch Fix number 26. This is a style sheet, so it gives you ideas on how to style the items that you were sent. And oh, I have Emma again. Okay, good. I sent some requests. If I saw something on somebody's video, I've requested some items. Hi Barbara, welcome to your latest fix. I'm shipping you my very best vibes for good health and good humor along with these new styles. I was so excited to find, oh, okay, I'm gonna stop. I don't wanna know what she found me. So let's see. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I have to tell you guys that my husband Mike, he got his very first Stitch Fix box. He used my referral link for $50 off, and he has this deal. There's some kind of deal with our credit card, one of our credit cards, where if he ordered a Stitch Fix and spent, I don't know, like $25, well the styling fee is $20, they would credit our credit card $25. So he kept 2 items. He got a $50 credit from me. He did spend, I think he spent like $80 something. So he got the $50 credit from using my link, and then he also, and by doing that, I also get a $50 credit. So if you guys use my link, I also get the same credit, which is nice. And then the credit card company gave him $25 credit, which is great. So he got, the items he kept, he got $75 off basically. And that expired the end of, oh, it expires the end of May. So, but great deal. Okay, let's get back to this, see what's in here. Oh, got a piece of jewelry. Let's open that first. I'll put everything on the screen so I don't have to look it up, put my glasses on and off. Huh, look at that. How did Emma know? Okay, so it looks like this has like a magnetic clasp, and it looks, can you tighten it? No. Those are my colors. Very pretty. Cute. Let's see how much it is. We'll do the pricing at the end. Okay, that's a possibility. It might be a little bit too similar to what I already have though. Oh, I think this might be the top that I requested. Look how cute. Love, love, love this. Look at that. This is Daniel RAINN. I should have known. I could feel the quality. Look at the detail, the lace. It's got the little cap sleeves that are more of like, I don't know, they feel silky a little bit. And then it has the lace in the back. Oh, let's see. Oh, it has buttons in the front. Cute, 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 cute. Okay, love it. I like brighter color, but well, I have black on. Okay, let's see, what's this? This is cute. Did I request this too? Market in Spruce. Maybe I did. I don't know now. I have to go back and look at my notes. Okay, this is navy. This has a overlay. Like this is sheer. And then here's the, let's see. I had it right. But then it's solid in the back. And it's a V-neck, sleeveless. Isn't that cute? That's pretty. I like it. Like it, like it. Okay, what's this? Oh, white with lace. Oh, this is pretty. Look at the lace on this one. Has the little cap sleeve. I see a theme here. Look at the back. The lace. Oh, and it's got that slit. Oh. When you got a booty, that slit is not usually your friend, if you know what I mean. Oh boy, I have a pair of shorts. Oh, Gen 7. Okay, they have stretched. They look about my size. I don't know what color this is. I don't know if it's kind of like a red with orange, I guess. Okay, they have big, oh, they don't roll. They look like they're pretty long. Okay, that's everything. Let's do a try on. Okay, this is a keeper. I love this top. I would love to have this top in every color. I like the feel of it. I like the shape of it. It fits great. I love the little cap sleeves. It's nice to have a little something instead of just sleeveless. Love the lace, the neckline with the V. The fabric feels wonderful. It's just, I think it's very flattering for the figure. I love it. I like the hemline on it. Wait till you see the back. I know the tags. Let me see if I can move the tags so you can see it. I know, right? It's so cute. I love it. I don't know how much it is though, so we'll see how much it is. All right, while I have the jeans on, I'm gonna try on the navy top. Be right back. Another cute top. This is by Market & Spruce. Look at how cute it is. Okay, it is sleeveless, but it just fits well. It feels nice. Again, this is a barber neckline. You do have to kind of push your bra up a little bit or else you're gonna see them. So I would probably wear crisscross or something. It fits great. It is layered here where this is more of a, you can see through it. It fits me perfect. What do you guys think of this top? Okay, the other thing that I have on, I forgot to show you on the last try on, was the bracelet. I mean, the bracelet is very pretty. It's very similar to what I already own. So unless this is a 5 for 5, I'm probably not going to keep this. And the reason is, I mean, it's a little too, I can't believe I'm saying it's a little too sparkly. It's very cute, but the main thing is that this magnet, I did tighten it. You could tighten it around your wrist. Even though it's a strong magnet, I don't feel that secure. Because you know how when you put a jacket on, you go into a restaurant or you go somewhere and you need a jacket, and then you take it off, all of a sudden you're missing your bracelet. So, and it depends on the price. I mean, if the price is like, oh my God, I gotta keep it, or if it's a 5 for 5, then I'll keep it. Okay, so I have the shorts and the white top, so hang on. Okay, let's start with the top. This is by Pale Sky. It's very cute. Of course, I love the color. I like the little cap sleeve, and the lace detail here is nice, but this going across, it's just hitting in the wrong spot where I feel like I need to keep going like this. So that would get kind of irritating over time. I like the idea of this. Also in the back, it has those two little buttons with that darn loopy whatever to button. That is a pain in the behind to button. I don't know why they do that, but I only got one button buttoned. But here's the back. The lace all the way down the back. And then you have the slit. Yeah, I don't do slits. No, yeah. So definitely this is gonna be a no. I mean, I was hopeful, but I can't, I'm not a fan of this little split in the back. I do like the little notch here. Of course, I love the color, like I said. So this is gonna be a no. It's so close, just so close. Okay. These shorts by Gen 7, oh my goodness, I cannot wait to get them off. They are so tight. It's cutting into my gut, like it's pushing all this stuff up, and it is hard to breathe. So let me show them to you real quick. They are like glued onto me. They do, like I showed you, they roll, but they're attached. The length is good, but, and I like the color, but I would prefer something a little more kind of distressed other than just the solid. And I'm not a fan of attached rolled hems. I like to be able to unroll it or roll it up. Maybe, some distressing or raw hem or something is more of what I'm looking for. So let's do a review while I'm right here. Okay, and then we're upstairs and get the other two tops. All right, let's talk about let me go down the list. The list is, okay, the Gen 7 Bermuda cup short, red, size 6, $79. Yeah, that's not a no. That's a no. These are a no. Okay, this shirt, Pale Sky, mixed material white, size small, $64. I'm not comfortable in it, and I don't like this little opening in the back, so that's a no. Okay, the Daniel RAINN. Okay, you guys know I am keeping this, and Daniel RAINN's expensive. This is black, size small, $58. I don't think that's bad for Daniel RAINN. That's pretty typical. And with all the detail, with the crocheting, I like it. I like the way it felt. I like the way I felt in it. So I'll pay Daniel's price, $58. All right, the Market & Spruce. This is navy, size small. Well, surprise, surprise. This one's $58 also. So I think I'll keep this one too. I like it. I like the fit. Okay, the bracelet. This is the NAKAMOL in white. It's $44 now. For these I only paid 30 bucks, maybe 35. But, which I actually like mine better than this, so I probably won't reach for it. So this is going back. But I'll tell you what, Emma, if you're watching, you did a great job. You did a great, great job. It's not all keepers, unfortunately. Just a little hit or miss here or there. And of course, sizing for me. But overall, I'm very, very pleased with this box. So do you guys want to know what the total was? Total was $303. And if I kept all 25% discount, that would be $75.75, which would bring the entire box down to $227.25. So I have the styling pass, so I don't get a credit there, which is fine by me. So $227.25 for the entire box. It's a little high, but I really feel like I can feel the quality in the clothes. And if I can feel the quality and I feel good in it and it's in my budget, then I'm gonna keep it. So these two are definite keepers. So Emma, you did a great job. Thank you so much. Okay, everyone, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. And again, if you would like to try Stitch Fix, use my referral link. You'll get a $50 credit, just like my husband, Mike. And let's see, I think that's it. So everyone have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours. And everyone be safe.